So we're now at Abu Dhabi. We're back into the Middle East and Europe's not far away. So we're out in the desert. We've just watched the Blades do their display, which is quite nice, with the setting sun.
Loads of historical context. Seeing the Spitfire coming over in the desert, it just felt like it was back home again. It's just brilliant, isn't it?
It looks as natural as a camel, doesn't it?
It just does. Epic, I think. The reception's been incredible.
Yes, we're here doing an IWC event and it's beautifully done. And they are good at telling the story of the Spitfire and what we're doing.
You know, looking forward to going to Bahrain tomorrow. They've got their own Spitfire there called the Spirit of Bahrain.
Yeah, here we are in Bahrain, the land of two seas. Bahrain meaning two and Bahrain means seas. Terrific to welcome you in. His Royal Highness's sons, His Highness Sheikh Isa and His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, visited this morning. Bahrain and Spitfire have a very strong relationship. The Bahrain paid for a number of Spitfires during the Second World War.
The aeroplane is lawfully required to go through regular maintenance every 25 hours. Much like a car service, whether it's a minor service or a major one, this was a major one. Mo overall came out from the UK to help Gerry just cast another set of eyes over it, so the two of them spent 2 days servicing Gertie's.
It's nice to have a bit of time to do a proper thorough going through before the last leg home. We changed one of the ignition components on the engine because we were still having a little bit of intermittent grumble, should we say, more from the pilots than the aeroplane.
The reception here has been nothing short of love, frankly. Absolutely remarkable. They're very, very friendly people. Everybody's exhausted again, so it's back to the hotel, eat something, and then literally pass out. Which, it almost sounds like that we're whinging, but we've been on the road so long now and travelling for so long that the tank is in the red. Just got to make sure that it stays above empty before we get home.